Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers for watching and leaving nice comments. I hope I've been getting back with all of them and everything. And all my viewers, watchers, been watching and thinking about, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen because Mr. Belle have a lot of nice videos on this Power XL, and you wonder how to subscribe? That's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be doing something different in this Power XL. On one of my videos, I have made some quarter legs, teriyaki, chicken, and I baked it in the oven. So I had a few comments. I had to put it on the list and everything because they wanted to see me do it in the Power XL. So today I will be doing it in the Power XL. Let them see how good and delicious it comes out in the Power XL. Today, first of all, my wife cleaned the chicken and everything. As you see, she took the skin off it and everything. Skin it so it could get that seasoning right on the meat and everything. Because if you leave the skin on and you pull the skin off, the seasoning is not on the meat the way it's supposed to be. But today, Mr. Belle asked his wife, can you take the skin off these quarter legs and let's do this make it real delicious. So today we eyeball the garlic salt on it. We eyeball the black pepper and the seasoned salt. And we use some of this Yoshida teriyaki sauce. And we put it on here nice and good. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for 15 or 20 minutes, and we're gonna just put some of this saran wrap on this right here, just like this, and we're gonna sit it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, and just let it sit so it could just soak all in there, so it could come out nice, good, and delicious. I'm gonna just start wrapping this like this, and put it like that. Put that saran wrap all over it just like that. Make it nice and easy. Just like that. Put a couple pieces on it and cut it. And just take that off like that. And wrap it. And put it like that. Get another piece and put on the other side. And I'm just going to wrap it like this, and we're going to let it sit. And I'm going to tell you, this is right here going to be one of the delicious ones. I'm going to cut it just like this. And just cut that over just like that. Just slice it. Put that to the side. Sit it right there. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 15 or 20 minutes, and it's going to be delicious. I'll be back. Okay, I just took it out the refrigerator and everything, so now I'm getting ready to grill it. Let me set this grill so it could be preheating for a minute while I take that off. Okay, I'm going to put this on grill. Just turn it right here to grill, and I'm going to hit the timer. I'm going to set it for 350. Cut it down to 350, put it on 350, and I'm gonna set the minutes. I'm gonna set the minutes for 20 minutes, which I might not use all the 20 minutes, but I'm putting it for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna just start doing it and turn the minutes right quick to 20 minutes. Right there, and I'm gonna press time, and I'm gonna press start. As you see, it's gonna be preheating. While it's preheating, so it can say add food, I'm gonna just take this saran wrap off it, and I'm gonna just flip it over one time, put this together, just like that. Put that to the side, and I'm gonna just flip it over. It's looking nice and good and everything. Season, I'm gonna make sure the season is on both sides. Get this sauce all over it so it can be nice and good and delicious. Just like that. And flip it over like that and let it sit for a minute. until it say add food. When it say add food, that's when I'll put it in. And as you see, my wife cut it on the sides and everything. I'm gonna just open it up with this. See how she cut it nice and good on the sides of it? That way the season's soak all the way in it. As you see, she made some nice cuts on all these lays right here. Made some nice cuts so it could just soak in there. So it's gonna be soaking right in there. And I'm gonna flip it over again, you know, and make sure it's in there. So you wanna taste that good season all over it. Just like that. And you know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step when he cooking and everything, so you get the idea how I do it and everything, make it look nice and good. Okay, say add food. As you see, I'm gonna raise it up and I'm just gonna sit this in here just like this. All 4 of these on the side on this grill right here, just like that, and sit it in there just like that. Sit this other one in. And this one right here, I'm gonna sit it in and I'm gonna put this top down. Just like that and let it cook. And it's gonna go. And it say it's going, I'm press start again. And it's ready to go for 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna lift this up together. You know, Mr. Belle like to do it up together. It's 5 minutes, 15 minutes left. We see how it's cooking. It looks like it's cooking nice and good. So we're gonna put the top back down, let it finish cooking on this side, and I'm gonna open it back up in 10 minutes. And I have one left right here on the tray as you see. So I'm just gonna wait on that one because it only holds 4. Okay, it's been 11 minutes, a total of 11 minutes. We're gonna look at it. Yeah, it's cooking nice and good. So I'm gonna just let it cook like that. It's looking good. Okay, now it's circulating and 20 minutes is up, so we're gonna lift this up together. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes for the other side. It's looking nice and good as you see. Them are 4 quarter legs that fit in this Power XL. And this front side is looking so good and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out. And remember, the temperature is on 350. You don't have to set it at 375 or nothing like that so it won't burn, because you are using that sweet teriyaki sauce. And when something is sweet, it will burn if you put the temperature higher. So I'm taking it out like this, and I'm gonna sit it right on this plate, because I'm gonna turn it over and get the back side of it and everything. And I'm just gonna take all these out. And as you see, it's not sticking or nothing. I didn't spray nothing on it. And it's just coming out nice and good, just the way Mr. Belle liked for it to come out. No stick, no nothing. Coming out nice and easy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start it all over again and do the back side of it. It's looking nice and good. So I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm just gonna set this time, I'm gonna set this to grill. Press the temperature to 350. 350, like that. And 350, and I'm gonna go to timer. I'm gonna set the minutes for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And I'm gonna press start. I'm gonna let it preheat. I'm not gonna put the food in while it's preheating. I know some of you do put it in while it's preheating, but you don't want to overcook it like that. You want it to be just right so you enjoy it better. Okay, now I say add food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just raise it up, and I'm gonna put this back side on it, just like this. I'm gonna flip it over this time, just like this, and let it cook this side. And this right here is gonna be delicious. And put it in like that, just like that. Put all this in there, and I'm gonna put this top down, and I'm gonna press start, and let it cook for them 20 minutes, and it's gonna be good. We're gonna take a peep at it after 10 minutes to make sure it's cooking nice and good the way Mr. Belle wanted. And thank you. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise this top out. Together, we're gonna get a nice look at it. As you see, it's cooking nice and good. and everything. As you see, it's cooking good. Just a little more cook on it, and this right here, this will be done. And it's looking good. So I just want to give you an idea how it looking here and everything for the 10 minutes, and it's looking good. I'm gonna set the top back down and let it finish cooking. Okay, now it's been 13 minutes, so I'm gonna raise the top up, and I'm gonna take this out at 13. I didn't use the whole 20 minutes on the back side. Look like it's nice and done, and I'm gonna set this to the side like this and set it right here. And this right here is gonna be delicious. And just like that. And I'm just set this right here to the side, and everything, as you see, it's looking good and everything. And I'm gonna have this with some nice good fried asparagus. And this is your grilled teriyaki chicken with fried asparagus. And I'm gonna tell you, these fried asparagus are so good. They are delicious. They're biteable, crunchable, and everything. The teriyaki chicken is hot. I'll taste that, but that is cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Just ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.